Use the whole lane. Outside. Inside. Hug it. Hug it, hug it, hug it. We have found a good snaky bit. I had to pull over. We're on Route 199, Redwood National Highway or something like that. Let's go. Let's go Patrick Creek. Patrick Star Creek. Let's see. Hold it, hug it. Ooh, quick shifter. Quick shifter. I am the quick shifter. Use the whole lane. Outside. Inside. Hug it. Hug it, hug it, hug it. Lieutenant Dan Taylor, do for Lieutenant Dan. There it is. Whoa! Cooking it. Slow it down a bit. Oh, these are tight coming up here. I have to go down. Shift down a gear. Fourth, maybe third. Let's see. Ah! Woo! Look at that snaky bit up there. Nice. Nice. No, they're gonna ruin it up there. Nice. No! And they ruined it. Right at the best part. That's alright. That's what it is. It is what it is. That's one way to ruin your camping trip. That would suck to be in one of those RVs. It's like your only fun is the destination, it's not the actual journey. You know what I'm saying? On a motorcycle, it's the opposite. The journey is most of the fun and the destination is a little prize at the end. So, to each their own. But they get to sleep in that at night and I gotta waste money on a hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. So, who wins really? I don't know. I say I do still. Money can be spent on things, but memories are priceless. Yes. I'm gonna pull over somewhere because this road's too good. Hold up. The river apparently on the right of us here. The Wayland Smithers Road. Whoa! Smith River. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that little thing. Whoa! We're in it now. High speed run. Smith River. On the right. Redwood Highway. On it. Oh, hold on to your chops. Look at the swoopies, snickies. That's what I like. Couple of connections. Haha, midturn wave. Whoa, wide load. Double wide. 30 coming up there. Could bring it down. Sharp one. It's a sharp one. It's sharp. Nice. Smythe. Smith, dear, not Smythe. Okay, okay, okay. That's Smythe, dear, not Smith. That's from, it's a movie called Mrs. Doubtfire. Doubtfire, dear. Euphigenia Doubtfire. Who names their child Euphigenia? river. You fit your night touch fire, dear. Hold the lines. Ow! Bumps. Bumps. Bump it up. Oh, look at that beauty. This is another road. It's just a hidden gem I wasn't expecting. I was not expecting this road. Those are the best roads. 35. Just keep it in third all day. Whoa! When does it end? Oh, clenching. Clenchismo much. Battery's about to die. I'm gonna switch on my Ace Pro battery in a minute. Whoa, views. Views.